In the sky, far above the clouds, there was a place called Cloudleaf Valley, a floating forest where every leaf shimmered with soft light. Among the glowing trees lived a tiny snail named Zippy. He was slow, gentle, and full of wonder. One bright morning, as the breeze danced through the branches, Zippy noticed something strange. A glowing leaf, brighter than any he had ever seen. It wasn't green or gold, it was a rainbow leaf, sparkling in every color of the sky. Curious and amazed, Zippy reached out to touch it. But just as his tiny feelers brushed the air, the leaf floated away. Without a second thought, Zippy began to follow it. He slowly crossed silver grass, passed through soft puddles that reflected the clouds above, and moved under a glowing butterfly tunnel where lights danced like stars. The rainbow leaf kept drifting, leading Zippy to a floating stone bridge high in the air. The stones wobbled and swayed in the wind, but Zippy took a deep breath and inched forward, one careful step at a time. On the other side, he saw something unexpected. A lonely flower, wilted and pale, its petals dull and lifeless. The rainbow leaf hovered above, waiting. Zippy looked at the flower, then back at the leaf, and then made a choice. Gently, he broke a tiny piece of the rainbow leaf and placed it on the flower. In an instant, color returned to the petals. The flower lifted its head, glowing with joy, and suddenly, a bright rainbow bridge appeared in the sky, as if kindness had unlocked hidden magic. Zippy looked up, eyes wide, then slowly crossed the shimmering bridge. On the other side stood a great ancient tree, the Tree of Whispers, with thousands of glowing leaves hanging gently like stars. The rainbow leaf floated back to the tree and quietly joined the others. A soft breeze blew, and from the tree a tiny glowing star floated down and landed gently on Zippy's shell. From that moment on, whenever Zippy did something kind, his shell would glow softly, like a little piece of the rainbow lived inside him. With a warm heart, Zippy turned back home, slow, quiet, and glowing, leaving behind a trail of gentle light in the floating forest of Cloudleaf Valley.